So today we are taking apart this Canon Multifunction printer. It's an Energy Star Pixma.
Box right there on the side of the road. This thing didn't work, and so we decided to take it apart for the taking it apart video. Our buttons, all buttons placed down.
Here's where we're putting our screws.
Yep.
We're going to take this back panel off first. That's one way of doing it.
Yeah, that's one way.
This is definitely the most ambitious thing we've taken apart so far. We do have to be careful of the glass, but this front panel should lift off. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice piece of plastic.
Nice. Now that's what I call cool. Maybe that could be.
Here's where the buttons sit.
Click, click, click. All it does is click, 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 click. All it does. It's messing it up.
Probably. Look at this little motor.
Oh, look at that little motor.
This is the motor that runs the scanner back and forth on the track.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty beautiful little pieces too. These are the buttons right here. It's a pretty simple kind of control board, isn't it? And here's the digital readout.
Wait, how does it have that? Why does it have that 8 on it?
It's not an 8, it's all of the numbers. You can do a 0, you can do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them.
Wow.
No wonder the paper gets jammed so much. Look at how many little parts there are. Get a big piece of the brain.
Look. You can hear the crackling, can't you? Other people's bodies. I can get this thing.
Okay, we're narrowing in on the end. Here are all these tiny little wheels.
Cubes.
See those tubes? Well, that's how the ink gets into the thing. Whoa.
I dropped.
There's so many parts to this. I have a new respect for printers. So these hoses are really, really stretchy rubber.
Look at all this tissue stuff.
Oh yeah, this is like
So
really soft foam tissue.
So if there's any leak.
Yeah, just like that right there. There's a leak. Oh, there's another nice screw right there to get out. So was this one fun to do?
Yeah.
That was a lot of pieces, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was the biggest object that we've taken apart, and it also had a lot more pieces than I ever thought it would.
Yes, me too.
It was really hard, and it took a long time.
Yes. that was a lot of pieces, and I'm pretty glad that we make this show because it's a really fun thing to do.